Hello and welcome, my dear fellas. This is the clash between Junior Dos Santos and Gabriel Gonzaga. Junior Dos Santos is a Muay Thai guy, while Gabriel Gonzaga is known for his world-class BJJ. But he knocked out Mirko Krokop, so we mustn't ignore his striking ability. And Junior Dos Santos should dominate in the stand-up, but everybody was saying that Mirko Krokop should have dominated in the stand-up, and that didn't come to fruition. So I would be cautious with making a pick in this fight. Junior Dos Santos, Gabriel Gonzaga. Off we go. Sorry. Sorry. Alright, off we go. 1-2 by Gonzaga. And the high kick by Gonzaga. Nice kicks. Oh, Junior Dos Santos is spamming those leg kicks. Gonzaga with a big right. Gonzaga trying to shoot in. Takedown is stuffed. Leg kick by Dos Santos. Gonzaga with 1-2. And another 1-2 by Gabriel Napao. Gonzaga. Gonzaga trying to clinch up. Knees by Dos Santos. Gonzaga will try to take him down sooner or later. Dos Santos is landing knees. Gonzaga trying to take him down again, and he takes him down. Good get up by Dos Santos and the head kick. Dos Santos should be more cautious. Dos Santos is spamming those big punches, but Gonzaga backpedals. Oh, Gonzaga with a great counter. High kick, missed. Dos Santos is wasting a lot of energy on this. Oh man, Gonzaga with a weaving overhand. Nice performance by Gabriel Gonzaga. Uppercuts. Big lefts. Oh, Gonzaga drops him. Gonzaga failed to follow up, and Gonzaga drops him again. Dos Santos trying to shoot in. No. Leg kicks by Dos Santos and a high kick. Another high kick. Man, Dos Santos is being pretty reckless. And high kick by Dos Santos. Whoa. Dos Santos is very, very reckless with those kicks. Another middle kick. Gonzaga rocks him now. Gonzaga definitely won this round. High kick by Dos Santos. And a high kick again. Gonzaga with a head kick. Holy moly. This should have been a grappling matchup. Now it's a striking affair. Gonzaga missing with a Superman punch. More punches. These two are landing everything they have. Gonzaga rocks him for the third time. Gonzaga trying to finish the fight. He passes tag guard. Dos Santos recovers, but he is in a bad spot right now. Dos Santos in the full guard. He has to recover, work his way back on the feet. He gets up. Missing with a head kick. Middle kick. Another middle kick. Uppercut. Excellent leg kick. Great counters by Cigano. Dos Santos. Gonzaga drops him for the fourth time. This is Gonzaga's round, no doubt. 4 knockdowns. I don't know how Junior Dos Santos still stands on his feet. Good recovery from being rocked on the ground. Trying using sways. Man, he rocked me like 4 times. This is clean round for Gonzaga. Might even be 10-8. See how Gonzaga rocked him. I know, man. Dos Santos is not fighting well. He's not doing a good job. I can't praise Dos Santos. This is really horrible fighting from Junior Cigano Dos Santos. High kick. Uppercuts. Gonzaga digging to the body. High kick by Cigano. Cigano is trying to use sways. Good hooks. Oh, he ducks. No, Gonzaga was just crisper and faster. High kick by Cigano Dos Santos. And a high kick. Gonzaga goes down. Down Gonzaga goes. Holy moly. Gonzaga rocked him for 4 times. This is one of the greatest comebacks I've ever seen in my whole life. Literally one of the greatest comebacks I've seen in my whole life. Gonzaga should have digged for a takedown here, but... Whoa. Holy moly. This was awesome. Gonzaga was on the verge of winning, but great victory for Junior Cigano Dos Santos.